Weather women son things are green. Everywhere green. But see, I see Tulumpui. Tulumpui Chukue. And how do you call in your language? Leave a comment. In my language we call it Tulumpui. And Asina Takpadi, it will rain again. Okay, Asina Takpadi, it will rain again. So if this fly, if you see this flying around again or coming out of the ground, this predicts that it will rain again. And yes, definitely it's rainy season approaching. Nung du tha lakre. Hai se mruini ko chu me. Lunui ba ko mruini tu ba se. Hai se healthy food for chicken, healthy diet for chicken everywhere. Woo. Sida siyam leire. Sina takpadi sigi makhadi si moigi colony leire colony. Sida sul leire. What do you call this in your dialect or in your language? Oh, see. Woo. Here, not exactly queen. Thailand ipu pa matamda moidi sina yeng sina takpadi nong churani nong jamuk churani to hoy ha ting sala na to hoy tulo no tong pui dragonfly lem ne to ki wang bui ne to ho hai mrui dung di lata un hai mrui dung turani hai si thau fry gam no tiu boy thau ngau ra cha hau ne se you can fry and eat this. It's a very special and a tasty. It could be a very tasty dish for some. Akoi chu chai debu musidi interest leite. Che se moise moigi queen have ama lebre tongana chaw oho camera su phamanduna sine. What do you call this in your language dialect or se weather defy hujik makte adubong ujikan gi weather se unpredictable ne anytime chugni papaya. Okay, see you. Have a good day.